Okay, finally managed to get one of these. It's an Aputure video light specifically for video production. Ever since I started YouTube, I've wanted an Aputure light, and because they're so expensive, just was a little bit beyond my reach when it came to actually purchasing one of these things, until Aputure brought out these Amran versions, which are budget stroke consumer friendly versions of their lights. Now these are not new, they've come out a few months ago. There's been lots of reviews on the internet, but I've just managed to sort of grab one, which is I'm really excited about, because it's sort of another step forward in this channel. By the way, if you're new here, make sure you subscribe, press the bell, and don't miss any uploads. We've got lots of exciting tech coming soon. You can probably see it's a bit of a mess in here because I've got so much to do, but today we're talking about the 100X. There is a 100D version of this, which is when you're buying, if you're purchasing one of these, don't be confused. There's 100D, which is just it's not bicolor, it's just one single Kelvin. I'm not sure what the Kelvin is, to be honest, but there's it's one color of light, it's just white. The 100X version is a bicolor version, and it's pretty much the same price, so I picked up the bicolor version. This also works with an app that Aputure produce. It's a Sidus Link app, which you can link up to the light to control it. There's no remote with this, I don't believe, but you control it for the app. There is some dials on the back, but we're going to open this, see what it's like, get it all set up, and see the difference it makes. At the moment, I've just been using cheap lights from Amazon, some soft boxes with these sort of bulbs in, which are quite common but surprisingly expensive to buy. So if you're going to stick with those lights, eventually you're going to get up to the price point this is. I paid £299 for this. I've bought the Godox softbox to go with it, and you can see in the background, can you? A nice heavy duty stand from Nua, which is good stand that can hold this. Plus I'm going to try and build my own sort of mini YouTube setup with a light, camera, microphone all built in on that stand, so like I said, stay tuned for that one. Let's jump into this and see what we've got inside. Yeah, like I said, ever since I started YouTube, I've wanted an Aputure light, and because these ones came out, as soon as they came out, I was like, get in. I can actually finally own an Aputure light in my price point. They've been out of stock for a long time, because obviously very popular, and even if you could get them in stock, the delivery time was like 4 to 6 weeks, and I was sort of just waiting until they came on Amazon Prime, and they did. So right, got some Aputure stickers, which is cool. We've got the information for the Sidus Link app, which is the app that works this light, and we've got the production product manual there. We've got a little bit of foam, thick foaming. Okay, in the box we've got the light reflector that comes with it. Making a mess. Which is sort of this, and you put it on the end of the light. If you want to use it, I'm not going to be using this because I've got the light dome to fit it, but you can just use it as a video production light as well. It's professional level. I've heard some rumours on the internet or from other reviewers that this isn't as good as the older version, so it's unfortunate because you can't actually buy the older version on its own, but I'm not going to be using that probably. We've got the plug. Oh, nice quality Aputure cable tie there. That's nice. We're going to keep those 100%. And the adapter, which has got some kind of metal security ring on it. I don't know if we need that on there, but okay. The plug, which is sort of like an XLR plug to actually plug the power into the actual light. What else? That is it for accessories. We've got the actual light itself, which actually is surprisingly smaller than I thought it would be. The box is really good quality. I'm going to keep that to store this away. So this is the actual light itself. It is, yeah, a lot smaller. Like I said, we've got the power in, 48 volts. We've got the on and off switch there, and then you can change the CCT, which is a colour, and then the intensity on the right hand side, and there's a reset button. It's relatively simple, but it's a good quality LED light. It does say COB surface, not touching, no touching. So once you take this cap off, don't touch the actual LED light itself. It's got the Bowens mount, so that's going to fit the softbox, which is a little switch on the top there, which releases that to open it. So that's the LED light in there, and that clips in to protect it, which is cool. It's a beautiful looking light. It is all made of plastic. I haven't, like I said, owned any of the other Aputure lights, but I think they're made of metal, a lot of the stronger designs, so that's where the price saving comes in on this 100X. Yeah, it's supposed to be relatively quiet as well. The fan's not very loud, which is essential if you're recording video. The colours are accurate, and Aputure, if you don't know who they are just probably the leader when it comes to making video production lights in the market. I'm not sure when it comes to sort of movies and top level ones what you use, but Aputure are well known within the YouTube industry, that's for sure. That's the light. What we're going to do is get it all set up. I'm going to get the softbox on it, sort it all out, set it up on the stand, and see what it actually looks like in the flesh. What does it look like? This is just using a cheap light on the left hand side. I've taken all the softboxes away in the studio, saved some space. Hopefully this will give me a better looking picture when it comes to recording on the Canon R6. Let's get it all set up, see what it looks like. Okay then, all set up. That was a nightmare. Not so much the light, but the light dome I brought. I bought one of the cheap, let's just turn this light up, hold on. How about that? I'm controlling it with the app. Ooh, looks good. So the actual light dome from Godox that I bought it wasn't those quick setup ones you have to feed like an umbrella, you have to feed the poles through. It was just a nightmare to go in there and get Lisa to help me, because I just couldn't do it. I just can't do stuff like that. Frustrates the hell out of me. I lose patience, so teamwork prevailed. So I've got it all set up. This is what it looks like with the dome. I've got the honeycomb on there as well. Hopefully it looks alright. I'm looking on the screen and I mean, it's totally black in here. You can probably hear the birds chirping because I'm in the garage, but that's the only light source. There is a window there, but it's not that bright. So the app itself is really good. So I've got the whites. You can change the dimming curve and stuff. Maybe I'll put this on the screen. Yeah, you can change the colour to make it warmer, which is awesome. Have it about 5,300, like that. You can change the dimming curve. You can have the brightness on, that's on full, and we can turn it all the way down and off. Hello. So that's about 50%, which is good. We can have it all the way up if you want to, which is cool. And then it's got this different sort of effects. It comes with a bunch of gels in the box as well. There's effects as well on the app, which is really cool. So I mean, like lightning. Oh my god, that's pretty cool. So there's lightning effect. Oh my god. We can have, I don't know, there's a fire crackling. So you got all these different effects to play with. Paparazzi. Oh, whoa, I'm at home. Stop taking photos of me. Jesus Christ, go away. So that's it, and that is, I mean, it's bright, it's really good, it looks beautiful, and finally I've got myself a good quality light that isn't gonna fail every now and again. So Aputure, well renowned, like I said, good quality lights, and hopefully I'll do a follow-up video on this. This is going to be my main YouTube filming light from now on, and maybe I'll be able to use it. I'll get one of those quick assembly soft boxes that I can take it on shoots and stuff for hopefully clients further on down the line, so that'd be cool. As far as fan noise goes, there isn't. All I can hear is cars going up and down the road. If you go right to the back of it, you can hear it, but it's not like you're not going to be able to hear it. I can't hear it from sitting here from where I am. Yeah, so happy with it. Like I said, I'll keep you updated. I'll let you know how I get on. Thanks for watching. This is just a quick video. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'm excited about my new light. Take it easy, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Press the bell. Don't miss any uploads. Loads of exciting stuff coming up, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.